To learn programming, please subscribe our channel Learn Coding with Jyoti. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss Java features that makes it one of the most popular programming language. So let's get started. The features of Java are also known as Java buzzwords. Java provides many features. In this video, we will discuss more popular features of Java language. So these are the more popular features of Java language. Let's discuss these all features one by one. The first feature is simple. That means Java is a very simple language. Java syntax is based on C++ language. If any programmer knows C++ language, then Java will be very easy language after C++. Java language is very easy to learn having simple syntax. Java has removed many complicated features such as explicit pointers, operator overloading. Because of these points, we can say Java is a simple language. Second Java features is object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object. Java supports OOPS principle that allows developer to create modular, reusable and maintainable code. We will discuss OOPS concept in upcoming video. Object-oriented programming language offers classes, objects, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. This is how we use objects to deal with Java. So we can say Java is an object-oriented programming language. Third feature is a portable. Portable means we can carry from one place to another. So let's understand with the help of example. Suppose you have written Java code on Windows machine, and when we compile that code, .class file will get generated. .class file contain bytecode that can be run on any platform. So if we run that bytecode on Linux or Mac operating system, then it will run without any error. So there is no platform dependency. This features makes Java portable. Fourth feature is platform independent. Let's see what is a platform. A platform is a hardware or software environment in which program runs. Platforms are two types, software-based platform and hardware-based platform. Java provides software-based platform. Java compiled into bytecode and that bytecode can run on any platform. So because of this feature, we can say Java is a platform independent language. Next feature is a secured. Java is best known for its security. With Java, we can develop virus-free system. Java is secured because Java restricts explicit pointers. It means we don't use pointers in Java. Java programs run inside virtual machine. With built-in security frameworks such as Java Security Architecture, developers can implement secure coding practices and protect sensitive data. Because of these points, we can say Java is a secured language. Sixth feature is robust. The meaning of robust is strong. Java uses strong memory management. Java restricts pointers to avoid security problems. Java provides automatic garbage collection. There are exception handling and type checking mechanism in Java. All these points make Java robust. The seventh feature is high performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming languages because Java bytecode is close to native code. Java is an interpreted language, that is why it is slower than compiled languages. Compiled languages are C, C++, etc. The next feature is multi-threaded. As name suggested, we can use multiple threads simultaneously in Java. A thread is like a separate program executing concurrently. We can write Java program that deals with many tasks simultaneously by using multiple threads. The main advantage of multi-threading is that it doesn't occupy separate memory for each thread. It shares a common memory area. Threads are important for multimedia and web application, etc. The ninth feature of Java is distributed. Java is a distributed language. Java can be used to create distributed application. RMI and EJB are used to create distributed applications. This feature of Java makes us able to access files by calling the method from any machine on the internet. The 10th feature is dynamic. Java is a dynamic language. It supports the dynamic loading of classes. Java loads classes on demand. It also supports function from its native languages. Because of these points, we can say Java is a dynamic language. The next feature is garbage collection. Java provides automatic garbage collection. It detects and frees up the memory occupied by objects that are no longer in use, reducing memory leaks and improving program stability. This is very important features that Java offers. These are some remarkable features that Java offers. Exploring and mastering these features will enhance your programming skills and enable you to build robust and scalable applications. If you like the video, then please like and share video. And if you new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.